So fracture of the acetabulum or fracture of the femur head can lead to arthritis in future if the implant has damaged the hip joint, especially in the weight bearing area. Let's analyze this x-ray. So now in this x-ray we can see that there is a plate on the acetabulum which was done because of the fracture of the acetabulum few months ago. So if we see this normal x-ray, we can see that this is the femoral head and this is the socket, and there is equal distance between the two, and this is called the cartilage. This area is the weight bearing area because when you stand and walk, this area gets loaded. If we see on the opposite side, the weight bearing area looks intact. There is still space between the socket and the head, but we can see this plate, and if any of these screws is going inside the joint, then it can damage and score the cartilage there. So in this particular patient, you can see the plate in a different x-ray. It's a different view, which is called the lateral view. We can again see that the weight bearing area is okay, that there is equal space between the femoral head and the acetabulum, but there were 2-3 screws which were actually going into the joint in the non-weight bearing area. So if the damage to the cartilage is in the non-weight bearing area, usually patients do not have problem in walking and doing daily activities, but extreme movements can be painful, and we keep these patients on chondroprotective drugs and special precautions till the time they are absolutely fine. Some patients can land up with some pain in extreme movements, and which is okay, and we have to accept that.